Even after death, celebrities are highly publicized for their mistakes, many of which we make ourselves. Superstar musician Prince died suddenly, leaving no will, and the management of his substantial estate was fraught with legal complications and added costs. Hi everyone, I'm Becky Easton, your host of this podcast, Family Wealth and Other Musings. I'm a personal family lawyer licensed in Arizona and Colorado, and while I am an attorney, I'm not your attorney unless we have an agreement to that effect, of course. And so this should be seen as just general legal information, not necessarily specific legal advice for you. If you do have questions or anything that I say perks your ears up and you want to get in touch with an attorney, I highly recommend you do. You can find a personal family lawyer by going to personalfamilylawyer.com and search for someone near you. Or if you're in Arizona or Colorado, you can schedule some time on my calendar by calling 480-999-4455. So it's really easy to assume that the wealthiest among us have all their ducks in a row, right? But it's hard to judge someone, even a celebrity, for neglecting something like the creation of a will. Until you stop to seriously think about what will happen when you die, creating a will can seem like an unnecessary and morbid task. Certainly not something you can casually check off your to-do list. Nevertheless, the importance of having a will simply cannot be stressed enough. And here are just a few of the reasons why everyone should have a will, no matter their wealth, age, or health. First of all, you can name the person that you want to manage your estate in your will. You get to choose someone that you trust and make sure that they have all the knowledge they need to ensure that your wishes for your estate are carried out. You can decide who your beneficiaries will be. You can also disinherit those who would normally stand to inherit from your estate if you choose. Your wealth and possessions are yours. A will provides a legally enforceable way to ensure they go to the right people. You can also ensure that your minor children will be raised by the people that you want for the long term. If you have minor children, you should name a legal guardian and include provisions for their care in your will. But you don't want to rely on a will alone, because it's not going to address the immediate care of your children if something happens to you. It's not going to provide for your children's care in the event of incapacity, and it's not going to ensure someone you would never want to raise your kids could not. You can also leave gifts and donations to your favorite charities or people you love beyond your legal family within a will. Without a will, your estate would pass to the people designated to receive it under the law, and that's not always who you want to receive everything you own. Creating a will ensures you get to choose who gets what. And as important as they are, a will can only do so much. For example, a will doesn't keep your family out of court. A will also doesn't ensure that your kids will never be taken out of your home if something happens to you. And a will doesn't keep your family out of conflict. A will is truly only one part of a comprehensive estate plan that will protect and enforce your wishes when you die. And while you might not have quite the taxable estate that Prince did at $300 million, there is a chance that your estate will be subject to estate tax. And it's more difficult to do that type of planning within a will. And who wants to give the IRS more money than they need to? Even if it's not the $120 million that they got from Prince's estate, we don't need to pay additional taxes if we can avoid it. So I want to thank you again for tuning in to this quick episode today. And I can truly appreciate you listening in and keeping me accountable to posting an episode every single day. If there's something that you would like me to talk more about, or that you would like to hear my point of view on, please send it my way. You can email us at just info@eastonlawpllc.com. And we would love to answer your questions or address concerns that you have. And also, let's see. I feel like I was going to say one other thing, but it's gone straight out of my head. So anyway, thanks again for being here today, guys. And I hope you have a great day. I will talk to you again tomorrow. It's going to be Friday. Always looking forward to that. Have a great day, guys.